Imagine you're trying to sleep peacefully, but instead, you hear that awful buzzing sound near your ear. You wave your hands around, but it keeps coming back. And before you know it, you've got itchy bites all over your arms and legs. Sounds familiar? If yes, then you already know. Mosquitoes are not just annoying, they're dangerous. They carry diseases like dengue, malaria, and chikungunya, and they turn your home into a battleground. But don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to show you simple tricks that actually work to control mosquitoes at home, naturally and effectively. No expensive gadgets. No harmful chemicals. Just smart solutions you can start today. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share a bonus secret most people don't know. Let's get started. First, let's quickly understand the enemy. Mosquitoes breed in standing water. A tiny puddle, a flower pot, a clogged drain. That's all they need. Female mosquitoes lay hundreds of eggs at a time. And in just 7 to 10 days, those eggs turn into biting adults. That's why you can never kill a few and think you're safe. You have to attack their source. And that's exactly what we'll do with the tricks I'm about to share. Here are the best simple and natural methods that truly work. Trick 1. Eliminate standing water. The first and most important step. Go around your home once a week and check for open buckets, plant saucers, old tires, drainage issues, pet water bowls. Tip: change pet water daily and empty plant saucers completely. Even a tiny cap full of water can breed mosquitoes. Don't give them a chance. Trick 2. Use natural repellents. Instead of chemical sprays, use natural repellents that mosquitoes hate. Lemon eucalyptus oil. Mix 10 drops with half a cup water and spray it around windows and doors. Lavender oil. Dab a few drops on cotton balls and place them near your bed or sofa. Citronella candles. Light them in your living room or backyard in the evening. These scents create a powerful natural shield against mosquitoes. Trick 3. Grow mosquito-repelling plants. Some plants act like natural mosquito barriers. Grow these near windows, balconies, and gardens. Basil, mint, marigolds, catnip, lemongrass. They smell great to us, but mosquitoes hate them. Bonus: fresh basil and mint can also be used in your cooking. Trick 4. DIY mosquito trap. Want a simple home trap? Here's how. Cut a plastic bottle in half. Mix warm water, a spoonful of sugar, and a little yeast. Pour it into the bottom half and place the top half upside down like a funnel. Mosquitoes get attracted to the carbon dioxide and get trapped inside. Place a few around your house, especially dark corners. Trick 5. Install window screens. Physical barriers are still the best protection. Install fine mesh window screens to prevent mosquitoes from flying into your rooms. And if you already have screens, check them for tiny holes and fix them immediately. Pro tip: you can even add a thin layer of essential oil spray on the screens for double protection. Trick 6. Use a mosquito net while sleeping. Old but gold. Using a mosquito net around your bed is one of the safest and most effective ways to avoid bites while sleeping, especially if you have babies or elderly people at home. Choose a fine mesh net and make sure it's properly tucked under your mattress. Here's a trick very few people know: coffee grounds. Sprinkle used coffee grounds in any standing water around your house, like flower pots or drains. It prevents mosquito eggs from hatching. Simple, cheap, and highly effective. And it even adds nutrients to your plants. Double win. Here's a quick daily 5-minute routine to keep mosquitoes away. Check and empty water containers. Light a citronella candle or use a lavender oil diffuser. Spray lemon eucalyptus oil around doors and windows. Close doors quickly to avoid mosquitoes entering. Sleep under a mosquito net if needed. Consistency is key. If you do this daily, mosquitoes won't stand a chance. If you're getting bitten even during daytime indoors, you see large swarms outside your home, you live in an area with frequent dengue outbreaks, then it's smart to call a pest control professional. They can use safe and targeted treatments that eliminate breeding spots around your home. So now you know how to eliminate standing water, natural repellents that really work, how to make a DIY mosquito trap, powerful plants, and secret coffee ground hacks. All simple, all natural, all doable at home. Starting today, tell me in the comments, which trick will you try first? If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more easy home remedies and smart living tips. And don't forget to share this video with family and friends because everyone deserves a mosquito-free home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.